In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2020 GMC Acadia. Now, this will also work on other GMC vehicles. First thing you're going to do is start up the vehicle. Once the vehicle is started, you'll notice that on our screen here it says change engine oil soon. To reset that, we are going to press the check mark on the right hand side of the screen here. Then we're going to go to this menu here using the directional pads where you hit left and right until you get to the info. And then you're going to press the down arrow until you get to oil life. Once you're to oil life, you're going to press and hold the little check mark there. And now it's back to 100%. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.